guys, welcome back to another video. Today I show you how to go through walls in Minecraft 1.16.201. So I think this is a bug which can go through walls. Did you see that, guys? I think it only works with just dumping into a block. I think this is a bug also too. And as you remember, guys, the part 1, the dispenser bug. You remember that? The dispenser bug in Minecraft 1.16. Yeah, it kinda bug or a glitch, or this is from the game. So now I teach you how to wait, guys. So now, guys, I teach you how to go through walls in Minecraft 1.16.100 point 101. So you can go through blocks by specifically go through walls. See? So to do this, first you can find a hole or just make a hole. As you can see, make a hole. Then after that, place a block on top of this block. There. So break the block down over right there. Then as you can walk, see, you go through. It does not work for entities, guys. It only works for players. See that? That is how to go through walls in Minecraft 1.16.200. So if you wanna make a base or a secret base, you kinda want to need this in Minecraft 1.16.201. So that is for today's video, guys. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel always. And God bless you from the COVID-19 and your family and your friends. So goodbye, guys. See you next time. Bye.